Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Igri Gloria. Please, if you like what you are seeing on this video, please stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Like and drop a comment. On today's tutorial, we are talking about how to make tote bag. Yes, what we are using, material we are using for today's tutorials is chinos. Yes, chinos material is the common one that you can see everywhere. Yes, when folding your material, look at the tips, the white tips at the length of the materials. Yes, the white tips, you are going to fold it tips to tips, that is the length to length, making sure that right side facing the right side. So you fold it the white to white, though some of the material might not have the white taping at the length, but it's fine. But just know that you are folding your materials length to length, and after folding it, make sure that is well arranged. Arrange it properly, stretch it out, make sure that everything is in order. Then you flip it over, making it a fold of 4, so that you have a fold of 4. Stretch it out, arrange it properly, make sure that they are all arranged and all the folds are equal. Stretch it to prevent any fold, and when you are doing this, it prevents you from material wastage, especially if you are going into the business. You won't have any wastage at all. So now we have a perfect line, we have a straight line. As it is, the material is folded in 15 inches. The fold there is 15 inches, and the measurement we are using for this bag is, the length is 18.5 inches, while the width is 15 inches. Yes, we are measuring an 18.5 inches. Yes, 18.5 inches, while the wideness, yes, just join your ruler together as at the 15 inches. Then you go ahead with your scissors to cut it. Then after cutting it, yes, at this side is completely folded, so you lift up the other end. You see where 2 parts are opened. Then the down one, just use your scissors, just lift it a little bit up, then use your scissors to open up the down part. This is because we are cutting 2 tote bags together. That's why we have to open the other one. Yes, that's that. Then just set it aside. Let's move to making a stripe. That's the bag's handle. For you to make the stripe, you fold right side facing right side. Also, for the stripe, we are using 26 inches. Yes, the longest 26 inches. And for the wideness of the stripe, how we want it wide to be 1 inches. So we have 1 inches there. Then for you to be able to determine, just fold in your 26. So as it folded like this is 26 inches. Then fold it again. After folding it again into 4, you will have your 13 inches. That's making it a total of 26 inches. Together we are cutting 2 stripes together. Yes, just go ahead and fold it on the first fold down. Then you measure in your 2 inches, your 2.5 inches. So to determine how wide the stripe will be, and after sewing, we are going to be making use of 2.5 inches, 2.5, so that after sewing we will have our 1 inch or 1.25 at the end of our sewing the stripe. So we have 1 inch. Join it together, then go in with your scissors, cut it and open it at the end. So go in, cut it open, just go in with your scissors to open it at the tips. So that's we have all together 2 stripes are cut, then that meaning one for the right, one for the left, and these 2 they are now for 2 bags. Then let's move to our sewing machine. How to sew in your stripe? First, start by folding in half an inch at both sides. Fold in half an inch, then half an inch again. Join it together, then place it on each other, then go in and start stitching. As you are stitching, make sure that you are adjusting it. You are adjusting the both half inch you folded in. Keep on adjusting it. And this is to make sure that we have a neat handle at the end of the day. The handles are very neat to prevent all the rough edges. So that's that. Keep on repeating the same process until you are done with all the stripes. Keep on repeating the process. Again, you fold in half an inch, fold it half an inch, again half an inch, then fold it in together. Fold it together, make sure that it's well arranged. Again, go in with half inch, the other half inch, then you fold it together, then you start sewing. You start sewing it. Make sure that it's well arranged. Arrange it properly so that it will come out very neat. Yes, keep on arranging it as you are sewing. Keep on sewing it like that until you are done with all your stripes. Yes, make sure you back stitch. So at the end of the day, you should be having something like this, neat. Yes, very neat, no rough edges. You'll be having something like that. Then let's move to the main bag itself. Remember, the width of the bag is 15 inches. So from one edge measure 4 inches. From the width of the bag, that is 15 inches, measure 4 inches there, and use your scissors to notch it. Make sure your notches are not deep, just a little, just notch it a bit. Also from the other end that is on fold, also measure your 4 inches too. Measure 4 inches, give it a notch, little. Don't make your notch to be too deep. Remember, the bags were cut in two. Then when sewing, You are sewing in from the right side to the wrong side. That is, your fold is going to be in the wrong side. So you are fixing you first fold in. You start by folding in ½ inch first. Then from the first notch, you attach your stripe. You attach your stripe from the first notch, going with ½ inch. Then again fold it another ½ inch, making it a total of 1 inch. Make sure that it's secure. Backstitch it very well. Yes, keep sewing. So when you get to the second notch, do the same thing also. Just take the other end of the handle, just flip it. Yes, just take it and fix it at the second notch. Just take it. Yes, fix it, then keep on folding. This is the easiest way of sewing a tote bag, and it will come out very fine, very neat. Yes, so you keep on sewing. You repeat the same. You put in the second handle, so do the same way. Yes. Please, if you watch up to this stage, please do not forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and also share my videos. So keep on repeating the same thing. Keep on saying. Make sure as you are sewing, you are adjusting it. Make sure that you have a neat folding. The same thing. So you repeat the same thing. Repeat the same thing. Keep on sewing like that. Keep on sewing. Keep sewing. Yes, we are done fixing the stripes. We are done fixing the stripe. Now we need to go in with your zip. For you to fix your zipper, just the same way of fixing zip on your normal clothes, but this way you are going to flip the handle towards outward. Just look just the way it is in the video. Yes, so that in that way you are making the stripe to be firm. You just flip it outward towards your left hand side. Then the zipper, as the zip is going to be on top the stripe. You are sewing the zip on top the stripe. Then you go on sewing it like that. Just normal way of you fixing zip on your normal clothes. So you keep on going. Yes, so just take it gently. Just go gently with it. You don't need to rush it. when you are done, when you get to the middle, in between the middle stripe, yes, in between the middle stripe, measure it from there, divide it into two. That's where you stop the zip. You stop it there. Make sure that you backstitch when you get there at the point. Then you open the zip, just turn it in order for it to be able to sew the other way. Remember, you are sewing and stopping at the middle, at the center of the bag. Then you stop and open the zip, flip it to the other side, then you start sewing. Yes, repeat the same thing, making sure that the handle is pushed towards your left, as if you are still sewing on the stripe, making sure that the stripes are well secure. So you keep sewing, take your time, though you might not get it at first, but keep practicing. It's very easy, and I know that you understand it, you will get it. You keep going, just take your time, take your time. Let's keep sewing. And don't forget, when you get to the end, make sure that you backstitch. Yes, we are done. Now we want to close this bag. So when closing, make sure that you are sewing it. Just close it, just flip it and close it. And make sure you backstitch. Make sure it's well secure, and you arrange it to be equal at the side. So the joining, we are just joining two sides, one side and the down part, the side and the down part. Yes, before turning it, make sure that you backstitch. Backstitch, make sure that it's well secure. Then keep sewing. So you just keep sewing. Yes, we are done joining our tote bag. We are done. Then just turn it from the inside out. Yes, we are through with our tote bag. Then you have your beautiful tote bag. Can't you see? Very lovely, fine. Yes, please, if you watch the video to this stage, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also share my videos. I love you all. Thank you. And please, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize it.